Hi, my name is Joshua Kerr, and I'm representing my team, that being Team 9, by creating a small video demonstration of our branch prototype. This near-complete prototype is looking to showcase a structure for a website that is reaching towards being functionality complete, just lacking in a bit of polish and overall craftsmanship that will be addressed throughout the rapid evaluation and right assignments before being done in the crown prototype. Well, we had a different idea of what this feature exactly entailed when developing our statement of work, and even a slightly different idea while working on the seed prototype. The core idea was that we needed a structural core to connect users to our budgeting calculator. In our vertical prototype, we built the foundations of our website. That includes its explorable aspects, functional login systems, and formatting for where our calculator feature will finally end up. In explorable aspects, we have several functional pages available for users to explore and learn more about the website. If we click here, we can see there's a place for the user to log in into an official account. For the sake of privacy, I won't currently be showing that off, but know it's complete and functional, which will be important later. Now that you've logged in, you can see there are two pages accessible: the final calculator landing page, that'll be budget calculator, and your user account information page, which we're currently on. As of right now, the final calculator landing page has been built around our calculator prototype, which means that you're now able to access the calculator from the most visible parts of the website. For one, you can access the page by simply clicking on the second of two main tabs that exist in your members-only section of the website. But beyond that, you're also able to head back to the main page from that button there and access the calculator through two other methods, that being the sidebar on the far right top of the page, that being this sidebar here, and this Budget Now button located near the top left of the page. One is clearly more visible than the other, but the access on the sidebar is relevant throughout the pages of the website, and so might be more familiar to those who visit the website often. Now, to explore the calculator itself, we're going to click Budget Now and head back there. With functionality provided by EditorX, we now have a well-rounded working prototype of the core features of our budgeting calculator. Despite that, there are still some bugs we're currently working on, so I'll take you through what's currently happening on the front end of the website, what's happening on the back end, and when any issues should be resolved. This will take you to our current build of the monthly calculator center. As of right now, the calendar will only generate once it is an estimated budget or expected money to save over the specified month. In that case, we can now use one of the two input sections we've built for this prototype: total monthly budget. In this example, let's say that I want to save $1,500 of my monthly revenue. Real-time calculation is something that's happening on Wix's backend, but right now we're still determining how best to implement it visually. So, in order for this function to be visible, we must refresh the page. There we go. Now, there are currently some issues going on with date registration throughout the calendar. As you can see here, the budget and remaining budgets are perfectly intact, but the actual dates have been swapped. We know what we need to do to fix this. This is a much more simplified version of the total functions we want our calculator to be able to accomplish. If we go down here, we see another incomplete blank section of the page, which we're currently working on to display not simply daily budget information, but weekly information as well. We've had both of these displays working perfectly before, but combining the two has led to some issues which has delayed the results. But as of right now, this is mainly a test to establish our ability to continuously use inputs to create outputs. And as of right now, the data that comes from total monthly budget properly aligns itself with the days of the month that you're currently trying to calculate for. So for now, we're confident in leaving in the bugs because In the back end, we know that progress on reaching the final phase of this web page will be reached by the time the team participates in the rapid evaluation and the write. The other feature that is complete enough to have added in this is the when did you pay for this section, also known as how much was it. This will allow you to edit the budget of any particular day, either from unexpected or expected purchases. For example, if I was to spend $20 on a lunch with a friend I was not expecting, this is how I could edit that into my overall results. You could select the day by clicking here, and then add the transaction. And now, if I wanted to save a record of this page, you can hold Control-P to create a PDF of the month's calendar view. It all saves to one convenient page. And that's our branch prototype. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.